Pulling back the curtain on the world's first rally-inspired electric SUV. Welcome back to Techstination. I'm Fred Fishkin. Joining us from Ford is Enthusiast Electric Vehicles Marketing Manager Tom Somerville. Hi, Tom.
Good morning, Fred. Thanks for having me.
A pleasure. Well, what have we got here? You're calling it the Mach-E Rally. Tell us about it.
Exactly. So at the Goodwood Festival of Speed this week, we're going to be revealing the all-new Mustang Mach-E Rally. It is the first rally-inspired Ford Mustang, and one of the first rally-inspired electric vehicles, period. So it's very similar, based off of the Mustang Mach-E we all know and love, but it has some feature differences that allow it to perform better on loose surface, two-track, snow, sand, and other unpaved surfaces.
Tell us more about those features that really set this edition of the Mach-E Mustang apart.
Yeah, absolutely. So it has a slightly increased ride height, rally-inspired wheels, more off-road focused tires, a unique front end with some fog lamps, a unique spoiler, and some other interior treatments as well. And one of the most exciting things about it will be some of the tech features that we'll reveal later this year, in line with the full reveal of the Mustang Mach-E Rally.
Sounds exciting. Can you talk about some of the engineering challenges maybe in building an off-road electric SUV?
Yeah, so that was one of the things that was really interesting about this project. It was an extremely go-fast project where the chief engineer, myself, and some other members of the team put together a core small group of combination of enthusiasts, both in terms of rally sport, but also in terms of electric vehicles. And we quickly started to figure out that there's an opportunity in this space, and the Mustang Mach-E could really excel in some of these loose surface conditions. So, we'll get into some more of the details later this year on the specifics, but generally there were some immediate opportunities to combine the thrill that Mustang Mach-E's provide on-road, and then translating that to more loose surface, semi-off-road conditions as well.
And as you mentioned, you're showing this off at the Goodwood Festival of Speed in West Sussex, England. Tell me a little bit about that.
Yeah, exactly. So it'll be revealed at the Goodwood Festival of Speed, and the car will be driven up the hill and to show what is going to be a pre-production of the vehicle that we're going to reveal later this year.
So when will it be available to buy in the US? What can you tell us?
So it's going to be early next year. So this is, again, it's a prototype of the vehicle that's running up the hill. And then later this year, we're going to have a lot more to share in terms of the actual vehicle that will be for sale the early part of next year.
And it sounds like it's a little bit early to talk about pricing too, right?
Exactly. It's a little bit early to talk about pricing and specs, but we'll have some exciting new news that we'll be able to share in a little bit regarding all of that.
So much to look forward to. For more info, is there a place people can go to?
Yeah, absolutely. Ford.com will have a specific site.
Terrific. Tom Somerville, thank you for spending time with us.
Thank you for having me, Fred.